famous VIMANAMAN to see you again. Yes, that's right. Happy Easter, and this is what a subscriber fan has left this for me. Yes, that's right. Gave this as a gift for me for Easter. Yes, that's right. Look at the wonderful goodies they've put in there for me. All for me. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For my tummy. Anyway, so let's get on with the channel. World famous VIMANAMAN has come to see you again. Hope you're well and finding fit. And the year's 2021. Yep, excuse me for the lighting condition. We had a power cut and we just got a little tripod lighting system going on with the floodlight. And we're doing our best to make this video for you guys. Yes, that's right. Hope you're all doing exercises and keeping well and fighting fit. Yes, that's right. So today we're going to be doing a wonderful recipe. We're going to be doing a nice recipe for you guys to eat as well. Yes, we're going to do a special salad. Yes, that's right. Let's get the rotting melon and see what we're going to do. Today on the menu, we're going to make this onion and tomato salad. Yes, that's right. Onion and tomato salad that we're going to make, and we're going to put some dressing on there as well, and it's going to be really nice. You can have that complement with any of the curry dishes that you eat as well, and also you can even the side dish as well. You'll all enjoy it as well. So anyway, let's point out the ingredients and crack on with the recipe. So what we're going to need now, we're going to need some tomatoes. Yeah, I put 3 tomatoes in there. It's up to you depending on the size of the family or people that are going to be present. You're going to need, this is a red onion I'm using. You can use white onion, up to you, it's up to you. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of lemon, or you can use lime juice as well. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're also going to need some pepper as well. Yep, these have got peppercorns in there and they'll be just ground in there. This is the famous mandolin, the world famous VIMANAMAN uses. It's all about saving time. Yes, that's right. VIMANAMAN, it's all about speed. Making speed work for you because it works for me. And I'll be using this, doing the tomatoes, onions straight away. Yep, so world famous VIMANAMAN, it's all about saving time. Yes, that's right. It's all about saving time. This is the mandolin the VIMANAMAN uses, and we're going to be using that for doing the tomatoes and also slicing up the onions as well. Yes, that's right. It's all about saving time. So now we're going to be cracking on with the recipe, and we're also going to need some olive oil as well. We're going to need about 1 tablespoon of olive oil as well. Any particular olive oil will be all right. So anyway, these are all the recipes. And remember, most important in this pandemic, you need to wash your dirty hands. Yes, right. Scrub your nails inside. And as VIMANAMAN said many years ago when I started the channel, it's wash your hands. Yes, that's right. Give them a good scrub. Yes, and give all the vegetables clean as well, because if this is from the garden, nobody wants any slugginess. Yes, that's right. Clean all the vegetables as well, because nobody wants any slugginess. So anyway, let's crack on and let's get on with the journey and start making a salad. Let's carry on now. Welcome back, earthlings. Here's a few onions which I've mandolin already sliced up as well, and I'll just show you what I'm going to do. So I've obviously taken the other holder off and got a better one. I'm just going to go backwards and forward. Yes, that's right. Going backwards and forward like this, and it makes a little slices like this as well. Yes, that's right. I've got my glasses on because I don't want to start crying anymore. And I don't want to actually fill up the river. Yes, that's right. We don't want to fill up the river that goes up to the sea with my tears. Anyway, so these are the onion rings. We're going to make them like this. And we're going to we'll take them out from here like this, so you can actually make rings like this. So that's what we ended up like, rings like this. We need to make rings. Yes, yes, right. Look at that, rings on their fingers. Yes, yes, I already got rings on there. Let's put some more rings on here as well. Yeah, let's cover it. That's it, and one for the thumb as well. So look at that, ring on every finger and a thumb. Yep, one finger, one thumb. Keep moving with the rings. Anyway, so that's that then as well. Right, so these are the onions here right now as well. So we're looking at rings like this. So if you get the white bits in the middle, you can throw them away. So anyway, this is tomato nicely washed. We don't want the pit there, so we want to get rid of that as well. So we just get rid of that. And that's it. Get rid of that one. So we'll put the mandolin on there like this as well. And we're going to start doing this as well now. Look at this. Slicing away. Look at that. I'm not even a professional chef, and I'm still slicing away. Isn't that brilliant? Yes, yes, right. So all these bit pieces, you need to put them in there like that, and add a nice colour in there as well. So yeah, I'm going to do all the rest of the other tomatoes as well. And look at this nice thin slice we're looking at. Yeah, we're looking at nice thin slice, because everybody will love this, because when it looks consistent like this size as well, extra thin, or just same size, people will like that, because you're taking care of the making the salad. So anyway, let me carry on, and we'll come back in due course making a dressing. Welcome back, earthlings. So we've got the tomatoes in here now as well, and the onions as well. Yeah, so we're just going to give a mixture like that right now, just separate them all, and add some air into it as well. So anyway, now what we're going to do now, we're going to add the salt as well. Yeah, put the salt in there as well. Yeah, put a measure in there. And then we're also going to put the lime juice in there as well. Yeah, the lime juice goes in there as well. And we're also going to put the sesame seeds in there as well. Yeah, and then we're going to put some dressing as well, the virgin extra oil, olive oil as well. So we're going to put that in there. You can put, like I said, 1 tablespoon, or just like a dash, depending on your taste. And so that's in there now as well. And final ingredient, we're going to put in the pepper as well. Yeah, we've got peppercorns in there right now. And so we're just going to turn it like this right now, and move it in there right now. So moving it like this right now, like this. Yeah, give it a good measure. And we're going right like down there. Yep. And now then what we're going to do with your hands, make sure they're nice and clean. And we're going like this now to mix it all in, all that dressing. Yeah, give it a bit of time. Yep, everything's got to be nicely covered up. Yeah, turn it upside down like this as well. Make sure you don't break all the onions and the rings as well. And yeah, give it a good mixture, so everything in the dressing is actually not just at the bottom, it goes all right round. Look at that, nice texture there as well. Look at these nice texture tomatoes and the onions as well. Wow, it's really actually a nice aroma here of the salad dressing. It really just tells just fantastic, and it's going to be just Vimana deliciousness. Yes, that's right, it's going to really taste Vimana deliciousness as well. Yes, that's right. So anyway, that's it, it's all done now, and now we're going to be doing the taste off. Yes, right. I'm going to get my curry ready, and I'm going to put this on the side dish as well, and have it and give you my verdict. So see you soon, earthlings. Welcome back, earthlings. Like I said, we've just got the curry ready. Yes, right. This is VIMANAMAN special curry plate there. Look at that, full of different sections as well. Yes, right. It's all about filling all the little sections as well. Yeah, this is actually a curry that we'll be making. The next recipe is called urad curry. So we'll be making that. It's a lentil. We'll be making that next video as well. So anyway, so we're going to be tasting this special, the onion and tomato salad, that dressing that we've just made. And it really does smell just fantastic. So anyway, I'm just going to try some here. I'm going to try the onion. I'm going to try the tomato first. I can really taste the dressing, the olive oil, extra virgin, extra oil. I can taste the salt. I can taste the lime juice. You can even use lemon if you want. I can taste the pepper. can taste the sesame seeds as well going right through my teeth. Yep, through the little gaps in my teeth. And you know what? I'm going to have some more. Because I can. And I'm going to try some onion rings. Yes, that's right. I'm going to have some bad breath after this. Yes, that's right. I'm going to be smelling like onion soon. Mmm. Mmm. This red onion that I used, it really tastes really crispy. It tastes better than the white onion, and it's got really strong pungent taste to it, and the smell. It's going right through my mouth, inside my mouth. It's like a volcanic eruption. And look at this nice dressing as well. Put some dressing here as well, because with the juices as well, you can actually mix it all in, and you can get a spoon as well. You can drink that as well with a spoon as well, and it really does taste fried up. And look at that. It didn't even take that long to make. So if the VIMANAMAN can make it, you lazy earthlings can make it as well. Yes, that's right. You can make this wonderful salad. You can make it for friends and family when you have a party, get together. Yes, that's right. When you are easing down on lockdown and a pandemic, you can all invite your friends and tuck into this salad. You can even, if you have a barbecue as well, you can even have this as well. And also if you go for outings as well, you can take some of this as well and store it in the fridge. And you can take it out and it's ready already, and you can all have it tuck in, because it tastes even better when it's matured as well. Yes, yes, right. It tastes even better when it's matured. Yes, yes, so it's not just wine gets matured, even this salad can get matured. So anyway, I'm just going to have some this non-alcoholic drink, because you know the VIMANAMAN doesn't drink alcoholic. This is nice fizzy type drink. Cheers to success. Yes, yes, right. Yes, yes, nice gold glass as well. So anyway, I gotta go now. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Yes, yes, that's right. Subscribe to the VIMANAMAN YouTube channel, and also the Instagram as well. Support the channel and tell all your friends and family to subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. And also I have to go. Yes, yes, right, I have to go, because it's an emergency, and when it's an emergency, they need me back at Vimana. And today, they need me back at Vimana because it's Easter. It's Easter, and what that means, we're doing a treasure hunt. Yes, yes, right, we're doing an Easter treasure egg hunt. And you know what? I've already hid the eggs already, but I'm going to be the chief voter. Yes, that's right. I'm the chief leader, and I'm going to be making the votes, because my vote counts the most. Who's going to win? But anyway, I must go out right now, and I'll see you soon. So be good and keep smiling, because I'm smiling for you earthlings. Yes, that's right. And now we're going to do some dancing. So let's get on and get off your potato couch and get at this negative energy that you're all going through this pandemic, and get some positive vibes. Yes, that's right. Give your good body a shake through this Easter. Get your body moving. Yes, that's right. So get your body moving, enjoy this music and dancing, and I'll see you soon. So let's get cracking for Easter and listen to some music and do some dancing. See you soon, and be good.